Understanding Art Workshop, an insight into creative learning. Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's video. We're excited to explore the fascinating concept of an art workshop. This term might sound straightforward, but there's a lot more to it than meets the eye. So, let's dive in and uncover the layers behind this term, especially useful for those learning English. An art workshop typically refers to a space or a session where people gather to learn, create, and explore different forms of art. The key elements here are learning, creativity, and community. Workshops can vary greatly in their focus. Some might concentrate on painting, while others might delve into pottery, sculpture, or even digital art. Art workshops often include a few essential components. Instruction. There's usually an experienced artist or teacher guiding the participants. Hands-on experience. Participants get to create their own art, applying what they learn. Materials and tools. Workshops provide the necessary equipment and supplies for the art form being taught. Interaction. They offer a chance for participants to interact, share ideas, and get feedback. Joining an art workshop can be incredibly rewarding. It's not just about learning a new skill, but also about boosting creativity. Engaging in art expands your creative horizons. Social interaction. Workshops are great places to meet like-minded individuals. Stress relief. The process of creating art is known to reduce stress and promote relaxation. Cultural exposure. Many workshops introduce elements of art from different cultures, offering a broader perspective. It's important to distinguish between an art workshop and an art class. While both are educational, an art class is usually more structured, often part of a longer course, and focuses on building skills over time. In contrast, a workshop is typically a one-time event or a series of sessions focusing on a specific project or technique. And that's a wrap on our exploration of art workshop. We hope this video has been enlightening and enjoyable. Remember, whether you're an aspiring artist or just looking to try something new, participating in an art workshop can be a fulfilling experience. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.